these are names that we don't often hear, but as you look toward what's been happening with the NASDAQ this week, we're still on track to see a decline for the NASDAQ, at least when it comes to the week picture. But a big turnaround today. What do you read into these volatile moves and whether now is the time or we might see further bottoming out?
Yeah, first off, Liz, I don't like the move today. I mean, I like it because, big recovery, people like the market going up. So don't get me wrong. But in terms of a technical move, I don't like it. And the market doesn't really like these massive spikes. However, that being said, you got to look at some of these NASDAQ stocks that have sold off heavily that are now coming down to major support areas. I'm talking about really technically valid support areas. I'm talking about stocks like Qualcomm, NVIDIA, ServiceNow, and even Apple. Those are the types of stocks that I'd be looking at in this kind of environment that can probably withstand the volatility over the next few weeks, maybe even the next month or so. These are all stocks fundamentally sound, incredibly fundamentally sound, that now are at technical buy areas. Those are the kind of stocks that I would look at. But again, I'm not buying into, I don't trust this big rally yet today. I think we still have to shake out a little bit further.
Very wise. And Andrew, you talk about stimulus. They are having that discussion as we speak in the Senate. So we're going to be talking with Larry Kudlow in just a few minutes about that. But give me a sense of what you think a slimmed down version will do to further add some spike into this punch that we're seeing today.
Yeah, so markets love stimulus, obviously. We've been trading on stimulus highs for the last few months. We still have to remember we embarked on a massive monetary policy injection in 2020 post-COVID. The markets are still working that through. We are seeing now surges in commodity prices. So we think any additional stimulus just adds more fuel to this fire. And while the rally, can be questionable, we think there's more lemonade to be made out of this lemon. And so why not just enjoy that?
Yeah. Andrew, Scott, thank you very much. Okay, so we've talked about the market numbers. We've talked about the broader indexes.